Hi investors, Vridhi Finance presenting Tatva Chintan Pharmaceutical Chem Limited IPO 2021. Yes, this is company based in Vadodara, Gujarat, and this company is basically into chemical sectors. If you see in the year of 2020 and 2021, there is a drastic changes in a pharmaceutical and chemical industry where their shares are top gainer. In 2021, they have changed the market scenario of Indian stock exchange in a Sensex and in Nifty both. If you see their stock market completely changed just because of chemical industries and supplying the chemicals to the various sectors like into the pharmaceutical sectors, farming sectors. Apart from there is a lot of innovation came into these two sectors. One is into the pharma, one is into the chemicals. There is a lot of innovation going in 2021, and believe me, in next 5 years it will be the same according to us, because this pandemic is really given a growth to the research and development. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Private Limited, pursuant the certificate of incorporation dated June 12, 1996, and issues registered companies Gujarat, Dadra and Nagar Haveli at Ahmedabad. Okay, then they have changed their name Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited as a fresh certificate in this year 26 February 2021, where they are having two manufacturing facility which is situated at Alankeshwar and Dahej in Gujarat. Both pharmaceutical both manufacturing facility is basically using Hazira port for their export terms. Okay, and this manufacturing facility is annual installed reactor capacity 280 KL and 17 assembly line as on March 31st 2021, where they are having employ various modern machineries, equipments including reactors, assembly line, ANFD, centrifuge, RCVDs. These equipment amination, phase transfer reaction, cyclization, halogenation, condensation and electrolysis. As a part of eco-friendly and environmental sustainable initiative, they have adopted green chemistry process including electrolysis as a part of manufacturing process. Beside the single starting raw material, electrolysis only use water and electricity to produce target product. Considering though no additional chemical are used, help ensure that generate no additional any kind of waste or byproduct. In the year of March 31st 2021, they are having manufacturing facility where they are producing 154 products, which is divided into following 4 broad categories: is a structure directing agent, phase transfer catalyst, electrolytes, then salt for super capacitor battery, pharmaceutical and agrochemical intermediate and other specialist chemicals, where the register office is GIDC Estate Alankeshwar Bharuch in Gujarat 393002, and their corporate office is based in plot number 353 Makarpura, GIDC, Vadodara, Gujarat 390010, India. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited customer portfolio, where we are adding this customer portfolio to understand what exactly this company and how they help other industry via their product. So there are their products is supplying to particular pharmaceutical and chemical industry is a mark Bayer AG, Asian Paint, Epox Chemical, KFT, Laurus Lab Limited, Tosoho Asia PTE Limited, SRF Limited, Navin Fluorine International Limited, Oriental Aromatic, Atul Limited, Otsuka Chemical Private Limited, Meghnani Organic Limited, Davis Laboratories Limited, Hawks Chemical Company Limited, Fireminic Aromatic Prod India Private Limited, Jianaxu Guetai Superpower, New Materials Co Limited, Jet Chemical Co Limited. They are having an in-house team responsible for marketing, distribution and sells their products in India and international market, including Europe and USA. They maintain direct contact with the majority of their customers, so which is allow understand customer technical needs and gauge their future requirement. Basically they want to grab the future requirements. In marketing, such as in South Korea and China, they engage various distributors and agents to distribute their products. They are into the participating in domestic and international industry specific exhibitions and diversity in industry magazine, weekly and daily pharmaceutical ingredients CPHI and Chem Specs regularly. These are two magazines which comes for pharmaceutical companies, so and chemical too, so where they can talk about their innovation into the product. So they are the registrar over there might be, and they are giving their innovation detail and everything about their products into this kind of magazines. They have established two wholly owned US and Europe market respectively, owned two subsidiaries. The subsidiary's name is Tatva Chintan USA Incorporation TC USA. Another one is Tatva Chintan Europe BV TC Europe. So these are two subsidiaries. One is based in USA, another one is in Netherlands. So this is catered the demand and the distribution requirement in the US and Europe. They marketing their product through via subsidiaries and all. So they have mentioned there the name of company which is located in USA. Basically they're doing export to arrangement for marketing and distribution product in various countries including South Korea and China, with respect to sales and marketing distribution therein. So this is the way they are marketing their product. If you have a global footprint in chemical or pharmaceutical companies, trust me, this company will do a long-term business, might be next 10 years 20 years, because see, when somebody putting their international presence, they literally doing a good qualitative business. Okay, Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited IPO details. So here we this IPO opening date is on 16 July 2021, IPO closing date 20 July 2021. IPO issue type is book build. Issue IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share, where IPO price band between rupees 1073 to 1083 per equity shares. Market lot size is 13 shares. Minimum order quantity is 13 share. Listing at NSE and BSE. and after the closing of this IPO, you can get basis of allotment date will be 26 July 2021. Initiation of refund will be 27 July 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account 28 July 2021. IPO listing date is 29 July 2021. Dear investors, Tatva Chintan Pharmaceutical Chem Limited we are going to give the prediction. This is our one of the favorite segment, where we are expecting this expected subscription between 65% minimum and maximum will be 80%. This is one we have estimating this kind of prediction for this company. Please keep watching a gray market strategy. Understand this week there are two IPOs are launching. One is a Zomato. They have did a lot of advertising, and apart from Tatva Chintan is doing little bit presence. They are having global footprint too, but the thing is that where investors will choose by own choice which IPO that investor will get subscribe and understand their market presence, marketizing the products or their advertisements. So in this case, this is a Gujarat based company across India. They are having a large amount of client, but people literally really know this company. That is also remark. So that's the reason we have given this band of 65% to 80% subscription is estimated based on these terms. So please keep watch on gray market strategy. Market risk on own decisions. Why market risk on own decisions? Suppose we are not forcing anyone that you should subscribe this IPO or you should understand this IPO and all. We are just guiding you. This is market risk on own decision. If you want to wish, you can apply for the IPO. If you don't want to wish, you can't apply for the IPO. Yes, in this case, if you see, there are two IPOs in this week only. One will be comes on 14th of July, and the another IPO is Tatva Chintan is coming on the 16th July. So if you are retail investor, you know where you have to put your money. So that's the reason we have given the ratings based on the company presence. Yes, this company is going to do well with a long term basis. If you look for a long term gain, trust me, chemical industry and pharmaceutical industry, both industry doing well, because chemical industry depends on the pharmaceutical, and currently pharmaceutical is also booming one. Okay, so yes, we will give some more idea in our upcoming videos. So keep watch on this kind of videos which will explore you about the knowledge of industry too. Hey investors, what do you think about this IPO which is into the chemical sector? They are launching since 1996. Tatva Chintan is working, but they are launching after long term business. They are launching this IPO. And we would like to know your feedback. What exactly you think about Tatva Chintan? Please comment in the comment box. Do you really like this chemical industry video? Please let us know your feedback so we can improve it too. Yes, absolutely. If you enjoy this video, please thumbs up with the subscribe button and keep watching our videos. This will gives you really different content apart from others too. Yes, in this case we can say the management strategy of Tatva Chintan is good because they already have a global offices, okay, across Europe and USA. So it means they are having a good amount of strategy to hold the business for the long term. We will very soonly we will give the feedback about Tatva Chintan in our next video. Have a great day. Thank you by Vridhi Finance.